You can use Chrome DevTools to try NPM modules. Normally, to try or use any NPM module, you need to install that module in your local project and then import modules in files. But if you want to try any NPM module quickly, you can do that in Chrome DevTools console. Watch this video to see how it works. There is a Chrome plugin available for this. The plugin name is Console Importer and the link to plugin is given in the description. To use this plugin, first install this plugin and then open any website or your local app. This plugin doesn't work in blank tab or blank page. So open any website and then open Chrome DevTools and then Chrome Console. In the console, write $i and then module name inside the parentheses. This will load the NPM module and the module is ready to be used now. See the next steps in action. Thank you for watching this video.